Sawadika, hello everyone and welcome to Sawadee Thailand. One of the activities that you should not miss when you come to Thailand, especially in Bangkok. This is a cooking class that I want to show you in this video. I am at Tingly Thai cooking school in the middle of Bangkok. And here's Mr. Tingly that with me. Hi, Sawadika.
My name is Tingly. Our school name Tingly Thai Cooking School. Today we make a Tom Youm Goong or shrimp soup, and then pad Thai, and then green curry with chicken. The last one, mango and sticky rice.
So we have 4 iconic, the best that you know already. Maybe some of you already have been tried it, but you don't know how to cook it. So today is very good opportunity. So you can teach us.
Yes.
And then do we have opportunity to eat it later?
Yes.
Oh wow, so make you hungry already. So let's get started.
Actually, do you cook at your home?
Especially I do cook sometimes, so I can cook. But I don't know that you can eat or not. Okay.
Today we will make the Tom Youm Goong creamy style. Okay. It's not clear soup.
This is a very good point because a lot of people maybe not know there are different types of Tom Youm Goong, especially the foreigner. But Thai people, we have a clear soup of Tom Youm Goong and the creamy soup of Tom Youm Goong. Today will be the sessions of the creamy soup of Tom Youm Goong. First step,
okay,
dance first, dance first.
Dance.
We chop like this in the small.
Make it easy, you can cut angle.
We peel it up like this. It's telling me now we use the way of we peel it off like this of the lime leaf because it will make the smell of the fragrance come out stronger. You can cut it like this, okay, but the smell it will be less. So when you peel it off, you get the maximum of the smell of the lime leaf.
Okay, I have some trick like this.
อะไรอ่ะ So he told me there is a trick instead of you just squeeze it like this. So we do like that. Okay. The juice of the lemon is come out, all of them. So he's very organized. We put leaf with everything in here. Yes. Very nice presentation. We're gonna go to inside the cooking room.
You know how to turn on the gas?
Yes. Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Now I can know how to turn on the gas.
Okay, the Tom Youm Goong is like a cooking so quickly, just 4 or 5 minutes. It's not longer. Okay.
So after the ingredient has been boiled, so you can start to smell the fragrance of herbs that we put it in.
The fish sauce.
Smells so nice. And now you can dance, okay? You can dance show on the cooking class. Okay, now time to put the prawn. Well, this is tricky because you turn it off first and then you put the cream later. Yes. Put it down?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Ready now, so we can pour it. Very good. This is so simple and it takes only a few minutes for doing a good pad Thai like this. Wow, it's so delicious. I can smell the fragrance and very spicy Tom Youm Goong in my own cooking. There are another dishes that I need to learn also, so I have to go to learn some other dishes as well. But if you want to try and have experience of the Thai cooking class like this, don't forget to check on the description below so you have experience and learn how to cook Tom Youm Goong like this.